I have just installed my favorite lighting mod that I have ever installed on my truck, and I didn't even add any lights. The lights are already there. Chevy just didn't utilize them correctly. And of course, the lights I'm talking about are the cargo lights. Boost Auto has an automation kit that allows these lights to be turned on when you unlock the doors or when you throw it in reverse. Now, when I found out they had this modification, I had to have it and I was gonna purchase it, but I wanna give a big shout out to Boost Auto for sending this out for me to show you guys. The main reason I wanted this was because it's amazing how much light this little LED on the back of the tailgate throws on the hitch when trying to back up to a trailer at night. And having it come on automatically every time I back up to my boat is priceless. Here it is before in reverse, looking at the hitch on the backup camera. And here it is after on the backup camera, looking at the hitch in reverse. It's so much easier to hook up the boat before a tournament when it's pitch black outside. This lighting mod will also turn on your third brake light. Here it is before when hitting the unlock on your key fob or putting it in reverse. And here it is after with all the lights on when hitting the unlock or putting it in reverse. Getting this installed in the truck is really easy and it only takes about 5 minutes. Under the driver's side dash, take the pink and brown BCM connectors loose. Using the T-tap, the blue ring side of the wire connects to pin 26 on the brown connector. Using the other T-tap, the non-blue ring side of the wire connects to pin 26 on the pink connector. Just plug the BCM connectors back in and that's it. So if you want extra light every time you back up to a trailer, this mod is a must. And if you like automation as much as I do, I've got another video on how to wire up a light bar to come on automatically with your high beams. Well, thanks for watching this one, and until next time, we'll see y'all.